Dear students, in the last section we have seen unit testing. In this section we will see integration testing. Okay. So the purpose of unit testing is to determine that each independent module is correctly implemented. But this gives a little chance to determine that the interface between modules is also correct. In the unit testing, we have not tested the interaction between the modules or among the modules. So for this reason, it is necessary to integrate that modules and test the interaction among the module. Okay. So one specific target of integration testing is the interface, whether the parameters match on both sides. When the parameters are passed between the modules, whether that parameters are matched on the both side according to their type, according to their ranges, according to their meaning, and according to their utilization. So there are several classical integration strategies are used, such as top-down strategy, top-down integration, bottom-up integration, and sandwich integration. In top-down integrations, the modules are integrated from the top to bottom, okay, till it ends at the lower level. Okay. In the bottom-up integration, the modules are integrated from the bottom towards top. Okay. Whereas in sandwich integration, the modules are integrated from the top and bottom simultaneously, and they meet in the middle of this tree. Okay. So these are the three strategies: top down, bottom up, and sandwich integration. Some of the organization may implement the modules which are important, or means the priorities are given to the modules, and according to the priorities the modules are developed, and according to the priorities the modules are integrated with each other, and the integration testing is performed. In the integration testing, we move slowly away from structural testing, that is structural means white box testing, to the functional testing, that is black box testing, which treats a module as an impenetrable mechanism for performing a function. Okay. As the aggregated modules, as we are aggregating or integrating all these modules, so the system becomes large. So it becomes larger and larger. So we lose our ability to think about a path coverage and domains. So here we will test our system or modules according to the functionality, or we treat the product as the black box and verify the specified inputs. Okay. So in the integration testing, we move slowly away from structural to the functional testing, because already we have tested our module, and as we are integrating all the modules, the system becomes larger and larger. So it is not feasible to test every statement and path of the system. So in this integration testing, we slowly move to the functional testing. Okay. In the next session we will see system testing.